In general industry and construction, it's best practice to perform job hazard and job safety analysis before conducting any new work.
T-minus 2 minutes.
Just like any job task, responding to spills presents hazards that need to be evaluated before the cleanup work begins. While safety data sheets and product labels provide warnings about the chemical itself, responders often face other hazards that these two references don't address. Physical hazards are things in and around the work area that can injure workers, such as working in confined spaces, extreme temperatures, slippery walking surfaces, electricity, tools and machinery, excessive noise, radiation, lack of ventilation, working at heights, insects, animals, and biologicals. Ergonomic hazards include motions or actions that put strain on the body and could lead to injury. During spill response, some examples are applying direct pressure to operate tools and equipment, and awkward postures due to reaching, bending, crouching, lifting, or twisting. Before responding to spills, be sure to look at the whole picture so that everyone stays safe during response. Check out our other 2-minute drills for more ways to identify hazards and keep you and your team safe during spill response. These evaluations identify the steps that will need to be taken to complete a task, document how to perform those steps safely, and list the actions that need to be taken to avoid incidents.